Hey, this is Kai and I use he, him, his pronouns. Today I am unboxing the Sony HX80. Later on in the video I'll do a test vlog for you guys. Alright, let's get started. I ordered this camera because I wanted to start a vlog channel, and this was around my price range. I purchased it for $359 on Amazon. It came within 3 days with Amazon Prime. It arrived fairly well packaged, no dents in the box. The first item was the battery for the camera. The second was an SD card that was 64 gigabytes. The third was a small carry bag for your camera. Inside the bag was a strap. You can wear the strap as a belt through your pant loops, or you can wear it as a necklace as I did here. It also came with a lot of trash, so just be aware. The next item was an HDMI cable. In the box was a small deluxe kit, cleaning deluxe kit, or deluxe starter pack. The next item is another battery. In this small box, we have 3 things. We have a back piece, which I have to figure out where it goes to, a battery charger for the wall, and a car charger. Now I'm finally opening the camera box itself. Here's a side view, and also an inside look. Here's a mini USB cable, a camera strap. We have 2 straps now, one for the back and the camera. We have a back piece or a block, and inside the white bag is the Sony HX80 and a 3rd camera battery. Now I'm just giving you all angles of the camera. And here's the flip screen. It's really small and compact, and it's really great to bring around because you can slip it in your pocket. Oh, look at me, that's cool. Now let's go try it out. Oh shit. I'm super happy about it. Yeah, I'm recording. I'm testing video. This is like straight out the box.
What's up, yo? Welcome to the YouTube channel. My name's Vsauce. I don't know.
Vsauce, that's your name?
Vsauce. That's my
Versace.
name. Vsauce.
No, I'm saying hi. Hi.
How you guys doing?
Pretty good. Yeah.
You just filming?
Yeah, I'm testing out a new camera.
Oh, I'm like, don't put me on.
Don't worry, I can cut you out. I recorded her. Great.
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 The 18 Marina.
What time is it coming?
And they said 13 to 12 minutes
13 minutes?
on the app that I have.
Okay, thank you.
That was stupid. It was zoomed in when I was trying to flip the screen. It's kind of loud out here, so I'm testing the audio right now. See if this mic is... It's not good for wind resistance, but there's this trick on putting air muffs or like little fuzzy things on your mics when you're talking in windy places. So I'll link it down below because I'm probably going to do that. And see you guys later.
I hate you.